Walking is one of the simplest ways to stay fit. But did you know there's a science-backed walking technique that can burn more calories, improve heart health, and boost energy without needing a gym? It's called intermittent walking, also known as Japanese walking. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, what it is. Developed by Japanese researchers, intermittent walking is a safe and effective form of interval training for all ages. It's simple. You alternate between 3 minutes of brisk walking at about 70% of your maximum effort and 3 minutes of slow walking at a relaxed pace. Repeat this cycle for at least 5 rounds. That's just 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Why it works. So why is it better than regular walking? Studies show that intermittent walking can lower blood pressure, reduce blood sugar, improve aerobic fitness, strengthen muscles, and even help with weight loss. In fact, in one study, participants saw bigger improvements than those who walked at a steady pace, and they stuck to the program with a 95% success rate. That means it's not just effective, it's sustainable. How to start. Here's how you can get started today. 1. Warm-up for a few minutes at a normal pace. 2. Walk briskly for 3 minutes, enough to raise your heart rate so you can talk but not sing. 3. Slow down to a comfortable pace for 3 minutes. 4. Repeat for a total of 5 sets. You don't have to hit 30 minutes on day 1. Start with fewer sets and build up. Wear comfortable shoes, listen to your body, and track your progress. So, next time you go for a walk, try this simple tweak. It takes the same amount of time, but delivers double the benefits. Your heart, muscles, and waistline will thank you. If you found this tip useful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves walking. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.